I'm Brian Tadros with the Law Office of Brian D. Tadros. We handle nothing but Florida workers' compensation cases, making workers' comp work for you. I often get asked what makes our firm different than others, what sets us apart, what I call the BDT approach. I think probably the first thing I would tell you is I'm not trying to take every single case that comes my way. There's a lot of reasons to not get involved in a case. I really don't like to get involved in a case unless somebody needs our help or wants guidance through the process of their claim. Another scenario where sometimes we don't get involved in a case is if it's not right for the client. For some people, they don't want to get a lawyer involved for a variety of reasons. Sometimes it's as simple as they're getting everything they're entitled to. If they're getting everything they're entitled to, they want to keep their job, and they're not looking to settle their claim, then I don't need to be involved and complicate their lives. Many a times, I have taken that approach and not gotten involved in a case only to find out that down the road, a client has had an issue come up in the case. And because of how they were treated, they've reached out to us and we've gotten involved, and we did a great job for them at that point. But if somebody doesn't need us, we're not going to get involved. When we get involved, there's a personal approach that you're going to find with our firm. I do all of the initial consults myself. They are not given to a case manager or an investigator, which oftentimes is the case with some of the larger law firms that are out there. One of the other things that we strive to do is make sure that our clients feel that they have good lines of communication. I never want a client to feel like they can't reach us or that they're going at it alone. One of the other things is I tell people hard truths. So you're going to hear things that you don't necessarily want to hear, but you need to hear. I'm not a yes man. I tell everybody that usually at some point during our initial consultation. There's a lot of things that you might think you're entitled to, but the law just simply doesn't allow you to recover in a workers' compensation claim in the state of Florida. And it's my job to make sure that you understand what you can and can't get so that you can make the right choices for you during the course of your case. Realistically, in the end, I usually tell clients something along the lines of, I hope you're happy with the service that you got from us. I can't always control the facts of your case, which is usually doctors' opinions. That's what really drives a case. And our goal is to make sure that clients at the end of the day feel like they were guided through the process, understood the process, and got the best outcome that they could. And they know that we worked as hard and diligently as we could for them to achieve that goal.